Okay. No. Again.
No, I'm not doing this anymore.
Beatrice, you just ain't having a
Too great.
No, you cheated. No, you cheated. You can go like this. Oh yeah, trust me so much. What? I'm not risking it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you can get one. Oh, you took the same one.
You look one of those? Yes, I do.
Yeah.
You want to say watermelon? Yeah.
I
got one left.
I can't get
rock. Yeah, paper.
I don't know
I mean, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Which one? Anyone next?
Rock.
Scissors.
Wait, you have the scissors.
You did scissors? So you cut me. So you get one. Yeah, there you go. You put it with your teeth.
This test is going to be
Amazing. All right. So,
Man, you
let's-
got all the candies.
can you just videotape? That's
All right. So let's kind of see where we are. How many people lost everything? Raise your hand. Oh man, that stinks. Sorry about that. How many people got a lot of candy?
I had a method. This got hard.
Yes, you had a message.
Yes. Okay, so it started with Isaiah. Okay, so I lost one, and then I lost two. So then I had to go gain two from somebody else.
That is a very evil method. So now, you know, Daniel's over there, and he's like,
That's my bad.
I know it is. I am so, and I saw him yesterday, that's probably why I just
Open
said that. So sorry about that. Okay, so before you guys go, I have to make my point of the differences between capitalism, socialism, and communism. So what is now going to happen is, how are the people that have David, how are you feeling right now, the fact that you have nothing? You're kind of like, you're pretty mad. How are you feeling, the ones that are like super, super rich?
I'm pretty happy.
You're pretty happy.
And I'm jealous.
Well,
of
guess
you.
what? Look at that paper. We're not done yet. Look at that paper. And look where it says socialism, right? What does it say under socialism?
Eat it.
Government ownership of industry, right? So we're gonna pretend like we're socialists now. And guess what? Who am I?
You get all the candy.
I'm so sorry. You just worked so hard. And guess what? How many you have there?
You're getting back all the candy?
A lot. I'm taking it all back. Taking it all back. All. What is this socialism, guys? This is socialism. This is what happens. All right. Now, what does it say after? No, what does it say after like government ownership of industry?
Full
brand economic
So if I'm government, what could I do? What could you very upset?
Yes.
You probably hate me right now.
Yes,
right?
take
But look, listen. The goal is to bring economic equality. So if the goal in socialism is to bring economic equality, what can government or what should government do?
Give everyone the same.
Give us all the same. So you're all going to get now 5 pieces of candy.
You take it away and I give it back.
Take it away and I give it back.
Hello.
This is the equal distribution. Now, we're not done yet because
I'm taking it away.
I'm not going to take it
No,
away.
please don't take it away.
What is left? What is left at the bottom there?
Aims for classes society.
So look at communism. It says goal is a classless, goal of classless society is achieved. So now everybody, I'm getting to you, I'm getting to everybody. All of you, ready guys? Ready?
Thank you.
All of you now have, equal share, okay? And you're pretend like
Poor Monica, you left her out.
I'm coming.
Could you be like Justin and eat it before the government took it?
Good. Alright guys, so now, check it out. This is what's gonna happen. Well, if you're not seated, I don't know what's going on. So, let me make my last point.
What do you want to trade for?
Okay. Ready? Okay. So now, let's pretend that we all have our candy, we have been doing this, time in, time again, we're all happy, we're all equal. So eventually, what happens, according to Karl Marx, what happens to government? What happens to government in pure communism? It's slowly fades away. So I'm government, right? And I'm just gonna be like, all right, so you don't need me anymore. And that the means of production that's in the middle of the room there, I don't have to redistribute because you guys are so used to sharing everything as a whole that you're going to go to that bag of candy, you're going to distribute it equally amongst each other, right? You don't need me, right? Right?
So do we actually distribute?
Nobody went for it. All right. So that would be communism. You guys would basically take this. One of you wouldn't come up here and just take it for yourself, right? Well, that's what sometimes does happen. So that's why communism has never actually worked, because there's something called greed. So do you understand the differences between capitalism, socialism, communism? Yeah? Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, so let's just write that down, that one last thing down. I know we have 2 more minutes.
I think people are.
I know, you're fine, you'll make it.
Let's go.
So go ahead.
Oh, Lord. Write this down.